English you can live in. OTC safety. I read the label every time. Dosage matters. I check the line. Ingredients listed. I scan them all. Warnings pop up. I heed the call. Mixing meds. I pause and think. Interactions matter. I don't blink. Apps remind me when it's due. Side effects show what I should view. Ask a pharmacist if unsure. They guide me safely. That's for sure. Over-the-counter can help. Yes, but using wisely is the best. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.